5 rules to protect your funds in the world of cryptocurrency. Welcome guys to another video. My name is Pedro Crypto and today we are going to be learning 5 easy rules that you can follow so that you protect your funds in the world of cryptocurrency. Now, as always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this. And well, remember that when you subscribe, you should ring the bell for the notification so that you don't miss any of the videos. Now watch until the end of this video also, because I'm gonna give you the best information so that you never have trouble working with crypto. If you follow these rules, you will never have any trouble. So guys, I hope you are ready. Now, first rule to protect your funds in the world of crypto. Always use hardware wallets. Now, what is exactly a hardware wallet? This, my friends, this is a hardware wallet. I think you can see it. And it's a little device, a physical device that stores your crypto assets offline. Now, how does this work? Well, every time I make a transaction with a big amount, okay, this is where you should keep your big amounts of crypto. Well, I need to confirm it with this device. In this device, I turn it on and I have to put my password, basically, confirm it with my phone or my computer, and then that transaction will go through. This means that if someone would get connection to my wallet somehow because they would hack me or something like that, okay, they could see what I have on the wallet, but they wouldn't be able to do anything with it because they don't have the signer, okay? This makes sure that your coins are basically physically with you and nobody can take them. Okay, so it's very important when you have big amounts of funds to use hardware wallets. Obviously, if you have a small amounts, $100, $200 or 100, 200 rands, it doesn't make sense. It's better to use an exchange. It's going to be much safer. The exchange also uses hardware wallets, and at the end of the day, you're working with a big institution who's going to help you if you have trouble with your passwords or something like that. But if you have big amounts of money, when you start growing, it's always very recommendable to use hardware wallets. Now, the second thing, always enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. This adds an extra layer of security. Now, what is exactly, well, this two-factor authenticator? Well, this is a kind of second password that generates every 60 seconds. You should download it in your phone. You can use the one from Google. And once you try to, I don't know, take out the money from Binance or do anything with your crypto, well, it's gonna ask you, hey, please confirm with your two-factor authentication that it's you who's doing this. Again, if someone would somehow get our account access or something like that, they wouldn't be able to do anything because they don't have the two-factor authentication. So you can be much safer with all of this. Now, this is the second step, but there's 3 more. Now, the third one, never click on suspicious links and always check the website addresses. Only use official resources. For example, if we see a link that says Binance.com, we need to make sure that Binance.com is the real link. So we can go to the internet, we don't click on the link directly, and we check and we see, okay, yes, it's the real link. Then we go through. If we see a link that looks weird, if we see someone promising us amazing amounts of money doing anything for free, just click here and earn $2,000. What do you think it is? Well, it's weird. So we don't click on suspicious links because it's better not to do it. It will be much safer if we don't click on these links. Now guys, if you are liking all of these rules, I recommend you to follow us on Instagram, okay? You have in the description the link to all our social networks. You can follow us on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Telegram, everywhere, okay? So I recommend you to follow us on Instagram because if you follow us on Instagram, you can get a free guide on how to register on an exchange and buy your first cryptocurrency step by step. So just click on the link down below, go to Instagram so you can, well, join us and write us a direct message with the word beginner. And if you write us beginner, we will get you that guide for free. So guys, I recommend you to join us on Instagram so you can get it. I'm just saying it so you can get more information apart of all of these rules. Now, with these 3, we already will be very safe because we have our hardware wallet if we have a lot of money. We also don't click in suspicious links and we have our two-factor authentication activated. But those are not the only rules. There is more rules that we need to follow to be, well, 100% sure. Diversification, guys. This is not a rule about people trying to do something bad to you, but more a rule about trading, about keeping your investment strategy. Guys, don't keep all your assets in one crypto. Let's say that you like Bitcoin. Are you going to invest all your money on Bitcoin? Well, better not. You could, of course you could, but it's very diversified because a lot of times one asset can go a little bit down and others can be outperforming. So it's better to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in the same basket, put them in different baskets. Maybe keep a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum, a little bit of another project that you like. I'm not telling you to have thousands of them. Over diversification is also not good because you will get less results, but at least have 2, 3, 4 different assets so that you are diversified, and if something would happen to one of them, it doesn't affect your main portfolio that strongly. This is something very, very important that you need to take into account to have a balanced portfolio, and that all professional people in the finance world do it, okay? Even banks always have a super diversified portfolio, and well, this is what professionals do. And lastly, use complex combinations and unique passwords for each platform. It's obvious, okay? You don't want to be using the same password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in every single place, because if they find one online because whatever happens, well, then everything else is exposed. This is #1 rule of safety on the internet. Try to keep different passwords and, well, make them complicated. Don't put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put something that is complex that you remember so you don't forget them, but that, well, that only you will be able to access. Now, guys, if you follow all of these steps, I can assure you, you will be safe. If you have the two-factor authentication, the hardware wallet, complex passwords, diversification, and you don't click on suspicious links, it's gonna be very, very difficult for you to lose money. Most probably you will make money with cryptocurrencies. So once again, if you liked all of this and you want to get started in the world of crypto, give it a thumbs up for the video, for sure. Subscribe if you want more content like this. But as I said, you can join us on Instagram. Click on the description so you can come with us and write us the word beginner, and we will send you a step-by-step how to register an exchange so you can buy your first cryptocurrencies. Now guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, once again, you can subscribe, you can give it a thumbs up, you can follow us in all our social media to, well, get more information like this. I hope that you like it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!